ポーツ性能、快適性、安心感の実現を開発の柱としました。eclutchテクノロジーは初心者から上級者までどんなレベルのライダーでもバイクにおける体験のレベルを向上させることができます。
ライダーにさらなる自由を提供するためにマニュアルトランスミッションを進化させeclutchを開発しました。
Having the eclutch in the city makes the riding a lot easier. No lever operation is required when stopping at the red light, for example. You don't have to pull anything in and shift gears smoothly, and it makes the riding a lot more enjoyable. I feel a lot more in control when doing a tight turn in the city, because you don't have to think about anything else than the riding experience. Riding in the city with the eclutch is effortless.
これはeclutchの大きな特徴です。ライダーはいつでもレバーを握るだけで通常のクラッチ操作ができます。
Riding on open fun roads is a lot more enjoyable with eclutch. You can focus on where you're going and not have to worry about the clutch control. Precise gear changes, the rider gets a truly sporty performance. The eclutch will improve any rider's ability, from a beginner to the advanced riders. Honda eclutch, next level riding.